Hello friends, here comes Abhidashi's All-in-One. Today I am going to tell you how to prepare professional chocolate truffle cake in home. In the previous episode, I already told you how to prepare the premix powder for the cake preparation. I will give you the link below in the description box and the material required also. Please watch the video till the end because I am going to tell you so many interesting facts and additional informative topic also. So let's start our process. Take premix powder in a bowl and add half quantity of water to that. Here we are taking 250 grams powder and 125 ml water. Now we have to mix this for 3 minutes in high speed. Yes, after 3 minutes we have to add 1 spoon oil and mix the batter for 1 more minute in low speed. Our cake batter is ready now. Next, take the cake mold and apply oil or ghee to the mold like this. Now we have to place butter paper into that mold. Now pour the batter into the mold. Tap the mold like this to remove air from the batter. Finally, wet your hands with water and apply on the batter like this for proper batter placement and also to get better shaped cake. Now place this cake mold in the oven at 160 degrees for 34 minutes. Set the oven in convection mode at 160 degrees for 34 minutes. After 34 minutes, our cake will be like this. Take one toothpick and place like this. If no material is attached to the toothpick, then our cake is perfect. Remove cake from the mold and let it cool for few minutes. Remove the butter paper. Today's our additional informative topic is about tulsi. Tulsi leaves are rich in vitamin A, C and K and minerals like potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, iron. It is a natural immunity booster, reduces fever and pain, reduces cold, cough and other respiratory disorders, good for heart health and also good for diabetics, acts as an insect repellent, reduces stress and BP. Now we will going to prepare chocolate ganache. This is the dark chocolate. Cut the chocolate into pieces. Take chocolate pieces into a bowl. Add little amount of Amul fresh cream to it. The materials required are chocolate, Amul fresh cream, butter 50 grams. can also use fresh milk in the place of Amul fresh cream. Add butter to it. Now we have to melt this chocolate by keeping it in oven for 2 minutes or by double boiling method. Now we have to cut the cake into 3 layers. This is whipped cream. We have to take few amount of whipped cream in a bowl and whip the cream for few minutes till the cream thickens. Our cream is ready. Apply little amount of sugar syrup to the bottom layer. Now we are applying cream layer. Next we have to apply a layer of chocolate. Next we are placing the second layer. Repeat the same process as the first one. Now we are placing the top layer. Cover the cake completely with a layer of cream.
You said come up to my front door, I'll wait for you there, not too sure how many times you've lied before.
Now we are pouring chocolate ganache over the cake. Because this is a chocolate truffle cake, we have to cover the cake completely with chocolate. Today's interesting facts are: snails take the longest naps. They can sleep for up to 3 years. Kangaroos cannot walk backwards. Now we are starting the decoration of the cake. Here we are using little amount of cream, choco sticks and choco balls to highlight the cake. Here I marked the lines in a smiley pattern. Here we are marked the lines around the borders. Now we are decorating the hair part. Here we are using choco sticks. Fill in the gaps with cream. Placing chocolate balls for the eyes. Our cake decoration is almost completed. Here I am writing the name with chocolate syrup. This is our beautiful chocolate truffle cake.
I just see a fucking whore.
Here I am spraying golden dust to highlight the cake. Yes, I am cutting the chocolate truffle cake. See, it is very fluffy and very smooth. Of course, it is very tasty also.
Want to read my mind?
Here I am placing few more cake pieces which are prepared by me. Chocolate rich cake, red velvet cake. This is black forest cake. Doll cake from the normal cake. Vanilla glaze cake. Vanilla cake. Butterscotch cake. These are few more designs of my cakes.
Said come up to my front door. I'll wait for you there, not too sure.
Doraemon cake.
Many times you lied before.
Hulk cake.
Now I just see a fucking whore.
For more updates, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share my videos to your friends and family members. Please press the bell icon, then only you will get all the notifications of my new videos. Thank you so much.